Okay, so this is a tricky question. If you look at your notes, you really provide no explanation of what you've done. So this is why we make videos. All right. So we don't have to draw arctan. We just have to draw r. And we have to realize that we have to draw this. So I know that x squared plus y squared is just a circle. And it's actually two circles. So we know that x squared plus y squared equals 1 is just a circle that intersects at 1 and negative 1. And we know that x squared plus y squared equals 4 is a bigger circle that goes from 2 to negative 2. So if we wanted to rewrite this in terms of x squared plus y squared could be written as r squared 1 4, and that would just be 1 r 2 because we're just square rooting both sides. Alright, so we've done the first bit. Next it tells us that 0 is less than y. Okay, so 0 is less than y. And y is less than 0. Y is greater than 0. And y is less than x. Well, we know that this is y equals x. It's just a straight line. And this is telling us, let's get this down as well. This is just telling us that it exists between 0 and x. So 0 and x. So just this region here. I think that's what it's saying. Because y, or would it be y, or would it be here? Because this is lesser than 0 for y. So it's less than 0, but greater than x. Either way, it doesn't matter because you're still dealing with the same area. So in other words, this could be rewritten as 0 is less than or equal to theta pi on 4. So we're going to write this equation as pi on 4, 0, and as the radius is 2 and 1 of arc tan y on x. And then we're going to rewrite this as arc tan r sine of theta over r cos of theta. And we know these r's go away. And we also know, let me just go down. We also know, and this should have d theta. Oh, there should be an r there as well, shouldn't there? Whoops. We also know that sine on theta is just tan on theta, right? R dr d theta. And arctan of tan theta is, drumroll, just theta. R from there, dr d theta. So this is just going to give us theta r squared on r between 2 and 1 d theta pi on 4, 0. Which is going to equal theta 4 on 2 minus theta over 2, which is going to give you 3 theta on 2, right? D theta between pi on 4 and 0, which is going to give you 3 theta squared on 4 between pi on 4 and 0, equals 3 pi squared on 16 over 4. We don't have to worry about putting that 0 in. So this is going to give us 3 pi squared over 16 over 4. So this is just 4 times. Actually, wait. Yeah, you're just going to times that 4 by 16 because this is the same as just going times 1 on 4. You're just flipping it. So the answer is going to be 3 pi squared on 4 times 16 is 40 plus 24 is 64. Oh, how many times is 3 going to 64? I don't know. Let's see if that's the answer. Whoa. 3 pi squared 64. You did it. You did it. And there's also answers on the internet for this specific question, 2 of them. So I'll include that in the folder.